Hey there, fellow gamers! Are you tired of searching for the ideal gaming PC case that combines style, functionality, and performance? Well, look no further because today, we're diving deep into the world of PC cases to help you find the perfect match for your gaming setup. From sleek designs to efficient cooling solutions, we'll explore 5 top-tier cases that are sure to elevate your gaming experience. And hey, if you find something you like, the links to purchase are in the description below. Now, let's dive in. Number 5. First up on our list is the NZXT H510i. This compact ATX mid-tower case is an absolute showstopper with its tempered glass side panel, integrated RGB lighting, and advanced cable management system. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, the H510i has everything you need to take your gaming rig to the next level. Plus, with features like the front I/O USB Type-C port and vertical GPU mount, it offers unmatched convenience and versatility. So if you are interested in this PC case, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 4, next, we have the Fractal Design North Charcoal Black. This elegant mid-tower case combines sophistication with functionality, featuring a genuine walnut wood front and mesh side panels for natural ventilation. Whether you're into sleek modern designs or timeless classics, the North Charcoal Black is sure to impress. And with support for ATX, Micro ATX, and ITX motherboards, it's the perfect choice for gamers of all preferences. So if you are interested in this PC case, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 3, now, let's talk about the LIAN LIO11 Dynamic EVO. Crafted from aluminum, this mid-tower chassis offers a sleek and modern aesthetic with customizable RGB lighting options. With support for extended ATX motherboards and ample drive space for SSDs and HDDs, the O11 Dynamic EVO is perfect for gamers who demand nothing but the best. Plus, its flexible configuration options and optimized cooling system ensure that your components stay cool under pressure. So if you are interested in this PC case, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 2, moving on to the Phanteks Enthoo Pro 2 Full Tower, designed for extreme workstations and dual system setups. With its spacious interior, support for dual 480mm and 360mm radiators, and clean cable management solutions, this case is a powerhouse for gaming enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you're building a high-end gaming rig or a professional workstation, the Enthoo Pro 2 has you covered. So if you are interested in this PC case, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 1, last but not least, we have the Corsair 5000D Airflow. This mid-tower ATX case prioritizes maximum ventilation and cable management, making it the perfect choice for gamers who demand peak performance. With its high airflow optimized steel front panel, rapid route cable management system, and customizable cooling options, the 5000D Airflow ensures that your components stay cool and quiet during intense gaming sessions. So if you are interested in this PC case, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive review of the best gaming PC cases on the market. Whether you're a casual gamer, a hardcore enthusiast, or a professional builder, there's a case out there to suit your needs. So, what are you waiting for? Head on over to our affiliate links in the description below to purchase your favorite case today and take your gaming setup to the next level. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!